akin pong kasama ay ang mga kapwa ko nominado para sa Barangay Health and Wellness Party List or BHW Party List. Naririto po ngayon ay sina Doktora Minggita Padilla, Aliza Sian, Zenaida Pulido na siyang National President ng BHW Federation, at kasama natin sa kabilang banda ay sina Sir Alvin Carandang, Sir Conan Serial, Region 7 President ng BHW Federation, Jamil Mora, Region 4A President, Helen Tesoro, former Region 10 President, Armando Tenya, BHW from Makati, and Nora Lianeta, Region 5 President ng BHW Federation. Gusto ko pong ipahayag at ibahagi sa publiko ang magandang balita na ang Magna Carta para sa mga barangay health workers ay tapos na sa komite sa Senado. Ito po ay pinaghirapan natin sa House of Representatives ngayong 19th Congress. Pumasa po December 2022. Naipasa at nailobi na rin po sa Senado. Kaya po, sabayan niyo po kaming manalangin para po sa pagpasa nito sa third reading sa Senado sa mga susunod na linggo. Nais ko pong magpasalamat syempre sa suporta ni na Senator J.V. Ejercito and Senate President Cheese Escudero sa pag-spearhead nila sa patuloy na suporta nila para dito. We expect smooth sailing at the Bicameral Conference Committee for the Magna Carta of BHWs because the Senate and the House versions are essentially the same. If all goes well, we hope that we can have the Magna Carta for the barangay health workers as a legislative win and Christmas gift to our BHWs nationwide by Christmas this year. As BHW Party List first nominee and representative in the House, I serve as a chairperson in the House Committee on the Welfare of Children and vice chairpersons in the House Committee on Health and Appropriations. We filed, authored, and co-authored 186 bills in total, and we work in 16 House committees.
Ma'am,
Alright. Maraming salamat po at sana po masamahan nyo kami sa aming hangarin at advokasya. At sana masuportahan niyo po ang BHW Party List. Dahil po ang kalusugan ng barangay ay kalusugan ng bayan. Maraming salamat
maraming salamat po. For the 8 minutes po na Q&A, sino po yung sasagot, ma'am? Doktora Minggita? Ma'am?
We can both answer.
From the media, tanong po, Dwight Rappler.
Hello po, good morning po. Sinundan niyo lang po si Congressman Lee. And I understand na noong 2 week ago, nagkaroon kayo ng incident sa House that Mike Scoffle. Ano na po yung update doon? And ano po siguro din yung response ninyo sa criticisms that the DOH budget was being railroaded and that you finorce yung termination ng deliberations of the budget?
I would like to clarify, kanina po nagkausap din kami ni Kong Wilbert kasi po naipost sa kampo nila na mukhang ako ang nagre-railroad. Pero hindi po, ako lang po ay budget sponsor at wala po akong karapatan para mag-railroad na kahit anong budget. Ako po ang tumindig para mag-sponsor at mag-defend ng budget ng DOH, pero hindi po ako parte ng Committee on Rules, ng minority, at wala po akong karapatan para mang-railroad ng kahit anong budget. Kaya po, kanina we talked with Kong Wilbert Lee para po ayusin at hiningi ko sa kanya na i-clarify niya na hindi po ako ang nag-railroad, wala ako kaming balak na i-railroad ang DOH budget, and nakapagsalita po siya. In fact, we gave him 30 minutes po. Nag-umpisa po yan Monday, September 23. At pangalawang beses po na naisalang sa plenaryo ang DOH budget nung Wednesday. Nakapagsalita po siya nung Monday already. So, kanina po, nagkausap po kami at hiningi ko nga po sa kanya na i-clarify niya kasi po ang lumalabas, ako po ang nag-railroad pero hindi po talaga. No? So, I was there to sponsor the budget of DOH and nothing else.
Sorry, nabasa ko lang din sa ilang news reports na you're eyeing an ethics complaint against him. Itutuloy niyo po ba yun?
Yes, of course, yung hindi pa rin po maganda ang nangyari noong September 25. So we are still in contact with the others involved at hindi po pa rin maganda ang nangyari. Kanina nag-usap rin po kami at yun po, I want to ask also my colleagues for the final response at kung ano po ang mangyayari. because hindi lang din po ako ang involved doon.
Okay po. Any more question? Meron pa pong tanong from the media?
Siguro
Okay,
second
again.
question na lang po kay Dr. Mingita. I understand, if I remember correctly, you also ran
For the Senate.
for senator in
Yes.
2022. And tama po ba kayo po ba ang second
Oh,
or
wow.
third?
Second nominee
Second
ako ngayon.
nominee. Why are you
Running.
giving politics another chance?
Yes, okay, good question. Alam niyo ho, hindi ako pinalad sa 2022, but you all know, health is really my advocacy. Universal healthcare, and even nung tumakbo ako, the BHW party list helped me. And I've always maintained that the BHWs ay frontliners for all seasons at hindi nabibigyan ng sapat na benepisyo at attention and training, etc., etc. I was also lobbying for the BHW Magna Carta. Anyway, ngayon, it's just a chance to continue aking mga advocacies from a point of legislation. Mas marami kong magagawa. Alam mo rin ninyo, PhilHealth has also been one of my advocacies. Reforming PhilHealth. Maingay ho ako ngayon, di ba? Alam naman ho niyo yun, no? Tapos, so now, given the chance, and I'm very grateful for this chance, I can talagang pwede kong tutukan din yung mga dapat para sa bayan ho, no? Sa kalusugan ng bayan. And so, ang aming motto talaga is kalusugan ng barangay, kalusugan ng bayan. We have to start below. Pero since andito na ako, sinabi rin nila, we can represent now yung buong spectrum ng health, from the lowest, basic BHW, hanggang sa pinakamataas, sa mga doktor, sa mga dalubhasa, etc. And we have a lot of plans for health. For healthcare workers, for healthcare in the country. Kaya sana, palain naman ang BHW party list that we get enough votes for maybe 3 nominees, not just 2. So, thank you very much for that question.
Okay. Any more question? Meron pa po? Wala na. Okay. Mom, thank you po. And then, another photo. Sige na po niya. Ay, hawak niyo. Okay, maraming salamat po. Doktora, dito na lang po.